Did you know that it only takes 2 minutes to earn money online just by typing? It will work on your phone, computer, or any other device, as long as you have internet access. If you type for 5 minutes, you make $50. If you type for 10 minutes, you make $100. If you type for 20 minutes, you make $200. And if you type for 60 minutes, you make $600, which is insane. I believe you're smart enough to realize that if you currently have too much free time in your day, you can start right away. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to earn money online just by typing. Let's now get going. As you can see, I'll demonstrate how to type extremely basic words like these to earn an additional $100 to $500 per day. In the brief video, I'll walk you through all the procedures and specifics on the website. Make sure to watch this video all the way through to learn the secret technique, because I've also got a few surprises and bonus tips hidden in it that will help you earn double the money. AskWonder.com is the first website we'll visit today. Now, there are a few things I want to show you right here in this video before we move on to this website. First, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page on this website to see a statement that reads, "Earn while you learn. Join our team as a research analyst." Please select the Apply Here button. Okay, click this button to be directed to the page where you can earn money using your mind, work when you want, and expand your resume and your mind. I'll demonstrate how to use this website on your phone or computer to get paid for typing online. You must first complete these incredibly easy applications. Simply enter your name, email address, and password. You can enter any country because they accept applicants from all over the world, as you can see here, and then select Start Application after doing so. Thus, after you submit your application, they'll send you an email with an activation link. Activate your Wonder account was the subject line. Please activate your account by clicking on this blue button and then click the link to confirm your login. Visit these pages and click Welcome to Wonder Sandy when you're done registering. Then I can start working on different typing tasks, typing projects, and research tasks right away and start making money. Keep an eye on things because they are much simpler than you might think. Don't worry, this is very beginner friendly and anyone can do it for free. Before I show you how to start typing and earning money online, I'd like to walk you through these 4 steps so you can fully grasp how it operates. The first step on this website states you can visit the research dashboard when you are ready to start working. Your research dashboard appears here. You can look for various tasks and projects that you can complete and begin working on them to start getting paid. The second stage is for them to assign you a task to complete. As new projects come to your attention, you can follow them and begin working on them. The third phase is to find the answers and sources, as well as to synthesize the data. To get money, you'll basically have to do anything. The fourth step is that once you submit your work and celebrate, you will be able to get your money. Right now, I'm on my research dashboard, meaning I can locate these various projects where I can do some research and start typing and generating money. And the reason why this is so strong right now is that you don't need any experience or research, because all you have to do is utilize a specific Google method that I'm going to show you right now. For instance, if I click on Marketing, then Market Size, and then this button right here, they'll find you a bunch of different jobs to perform. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there, which is 6 different projects in just one category. Many people, when they obtain these jobs and initiatives like, what was the most expensive TV show made in history, are going to struggle to type the answers to these questions. So what I want you to do now is go to google.com. You may do this on your phone or on the computer. It doesn't matter. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. Now, let's return to this project and highlight everything. Simply highlight and then replicate this one. Copy and paste everything into the box. What is the most costly TV series ever made? We'll probably paste the entire question into Google and then hit the search button. When you press the search button, you'll find a variety of search results, as seen above, with a variety of responses that can easily type into a Google Doc. So here is our project, the most expensive TV show ever created. They will pay us once we have compiled a top 10 list of TV shows. It's now a lot easier because if you're using Google to find the answers, as you can see, these are some of the solutions. First and foremost, ER. They then explain their reasoning before moving on to number 2, Friends. Number 3 follows. All they do is list the most important things in bullet form, as you can see. The top 1 through 10 are displayed here. Okay, so we'll go back to Google and search for what were the most expensive TV shows in history. This is the first website that comes up. most expensive TV shows. And we'll just click on this link right here, and then we'll go to this website, 10 of the most expensive TV shows ever made, as you can see here. We'll find the exact answers now that we've scrolled to the bottom. As you can see, these are the most popular TV shows. You don't even have to answer them perfectly, because all you have to do is type the question into Google and we'll get right to work. So as you can see, I want you to copy these and I'll highlight them. Everything from top to bottom. Let's get started straight away, okay? I'm going to do it live in front of you, so we'll start at 1 and go all the way to 10. And then I'm simply going to copy these. Hit copy, and I'm good to go back here and paste everything right there, as you can see, from 1 to 10, including graphics. You didn't type it out, and you don't have to genuinely answer the question, but you do need to use the proper procedure, which is to conduct research using Google, and then copy and paste the answer into the box as if you were inputting it. Okay, but for some clients, finding the direct solution on the first page is more difficult. So right now, I'm going to show you a second, much more difficult example, which I want to show you before you go on and do it yourself. This is, as you can see, the second question. Now that I've completed the first, I can easily earn $50 to several $100s. Simply by doing them, as you can see above, we'll do the same for the second question. What are the fastest expanding cities in the United States? We'll highlight the question for them and have them copy and paste the entire query. As you can see below, I typed, what are the fastest growing cities in the United States and what's driving the growth? Into Google. Okay, I'll use the same procedure, then click search. So right now I'm going to visit a few websites, but the question is a little trickier. I might not see the exact answer on the first website as you can see here. However, I quickly found the answer to the first question on the first website, which is great because it's free. This is how we make money by simply copying and pasting without actually typing anything correctly. So this is the power of this method. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.